Ever wonder what those security options mean in Mobile Hotspot? Today I will show you how to change the hotspot security type on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and why you might want to. As a note, changing the security level can improve protection or compatibility with older devices. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Connection, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, tap Mobile Hotspot, tap your network name. Next, tap Security. Here you can see 5 options available: Open and Enhanced Open that requires no password, WPA2 Personal for standard security, WPA2 or WPA3 Personal for security and compatibility, and WPA3 Personal for the strongest but only newer devices can connect. As the example, you can choose WPA2 or WPA3 Personal if you want more security than the default, but still can work with most devices. And finally, tap Save. And done. Now you know what those options mean: more security or better compatibility, your choice. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.